Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Google Pixel 3 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle, the Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the back cover to the left hand side and then take out the shield by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the connector plug to release the back cover from the body. Next, take out the wireless pad by undoing 5 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 3 screws and the plug. Next, disconnect the charging port connector and 2 antenna heads from the flex. Move both antennas aside and then undo 3 screws from the charging port flex. Next, gently pry and take out the non-working charging port flex from the board. Next, place the new charging port flex on the body by securing 3 screws. Next, connect two antenna heads and the charging port connector to the board. Next, place the speaker cover by adding the plug and 3 screws. Next, connect the battery plug to the board. Next, place the wireless pad by securing 5 screws. Next, connect the Touch ID plug and secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add a binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Google Pixel 3 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.